Rational exponents in the form of a to the power of n over m. Write in radical form and then evaluate. Okay. So we have 8 questions here. I will solve 4 for you and these 4 for you to copy and answer. So a to the power of 2 over 3. So in this case, I can show you 2 different methods of doing the same thing. So first and second, let me show you both. First we could square and then do the cube root, right? So what we will do first is, well, it is write in radical form and then evaluate. So let me write them in radical form and then evaluate. So first step, of course, is writing them in radical form, which is 8 square. So I'll write square here and then the cube root. So this is the radical form, okay? So for all, we can write in radical form. Let me do that first. When we have square root, we don't write anything here. It means square root and 9 to the power of 5, correct? In this case, minus 32 is the number which is to the 5th root, and square of minus 32 will be like this, okay? 81. So 81 to the power of 3 and 4th root. So this is how we can write them. Now let me show you how to solve or evaluate them, right? In this case, it is 8 square and then cube root. So we could do first square and then cube root, or we could do cube root and then square. So both ways we could do, right? So therefore I'm saying we have 2 different methods. So first method is, let me do square of this. 8 square is 64. So I get 64 here, right? And then the cube root of 64. So that is the first method, right? The second method could be, I find the cube root first and then square, right? That means cube root of 8 is 2, right? So I'll say 2 square. Do you understand? Where 2 is cube root of 8. 2 is equals to cube root of 8, correct? So first I did the cube root and then I squared. So I get 2 square, right? 2 square is 4. And cube root of 64 is also 4. So either way you get the same answer, correct? That is what I'm trying to tell you. So what I will do here is, in my method, I'll first do the nth root. I'll solve the radical part first and then exponent part. That ways I'll be dealing with smaller numbers. As you can see here, when I do cube root first, I just get 2 and then I square to get 4. But if I square it, I get a bigger number. So I don't want to deal with bigger numbers. The results are same. So I'll do the radical part or the nth root part first. So what is the square root of 9? It is 3, right? So I can write this as 3 to the power of 5. Do you understand? You can use calculator, multiply 3 5 times, get your answer. Now in this case, what I will do is, first I will do 5th root of minus 32. Now 5th root of minus 32 is minus 2. So I got minus 2 square and minus 2 square is 4. I get my answer, right? Okay. Now in this case, I have to do 4th root of 81 first. So basically what I'm doing is, I am doing 4th root of 81 and then I'll find its cube. So this is the step which I'm doing. Square root of 81 is 9 and square root of 9 is 3. So I get here 3 cubed. Do you understand? So this is what I get. 3 cubed is 27. That is the answer, right? Now 3 to the power of 5, I know 3 to the power of 4 is 81. So we just got it here, right? 81. So 81 times 3, right? That gives me the answer. So 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 8 is 24. So 243 is my answer. So that is how actually we should find or evaluate these radical expression. First step should be do the radical part so that you are always working with smaller numbers, and then do the exponent part. That way it's easier. Well, if you are using calculator, it doesn't really matter. Now try out these questions on your own. 4 to the power of 3 over 2, minus 27 to the power of 2 over 3, 1000 to the power of 2 over 3, minus 1024 to the power of 3 over 10. You should remember 2 to the power of 10 is actually 1024. That should help you to answer this question. Okay, so move on to the next question. Thank you.